make it clear. You found every broken place inside, turned my darkest nights into morning light. When my faith was hanging by a thread, your voice became the song inside my head. You never walked away from me, you stayed and rewrote my destiny. When the world gets loud, your whisper pulls me close. Every step I take, you're the reason